Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, the big debate, we will be covering the section of punctuation in which we will learn about indentation. So, open up page number 38 and let us get started. First of all, let us see what is an indentation. We use two-finger space rule before starting a new paragraph. This is called indentation. I have taken an extract from the passage given in the book, and you can see that at the start of the paragraph there is a two-finger space. This is called indentation. Now, please take a moment and pause the video and read the complete passage by yourself. Once you are done reading, let's come to an activity. Write an essay on healthy food on a loose sheet and punctuate it properly. Remember to use the two-finger space rule.